Now today I will discuss about the data handling for class 2 student. So the title of my today's lecture is data handling. Data handling. For this also I am going to discuss the warm-up. Meaning of warm-up is the children should know the basic things of the subject. For example, what is the meaning of data? Data. Actually, it is a collection of the information. It is collection of any information. Now, just I am giving a simple example. Number 2, the Ramu and Shyam have been asked to collect various shapes of the project. Their collection was as follows. Their collection was as follows. अब यहाँ पर ध्यान देखिएगा. The information can be anything. Maybe population of the boys, population of the girls, population of the teachers, population of the staff. But for the project work, they have been asked to various shapes. Shape I have already defined it. And they collected like this. And the shapes they have chosen is the circle, triangle, then circle, then cone, then circle, then this cone, and even circle. Now again circle, horizontal cylinder, vertical cone, and triangle, horizontal cylinder, and cone. That is the sequence in which they have collected. Then circle, and triangle. Then cylinder, then triangle, then cone, and then cone, and again cylinder, triangle, again cylinder, and then cylinder. And then triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, triangle, and circle. They have taken the various books of the shape and they have collected accordingly. Now, question is that this is the data of the various shape. As I have mentioned, it is a collection of any information at one goal. Now, question is that suppose someone asks, how many circles are there? Then it will take longer time to explain every time. But if the information can be organized in a particular way, that it becomes very easily for anyone to tell any question based on the shape. For example, I am just giving an example. Now, answer the following. Suppose some visitor comes and asks the students, first, A, how many triangle shapes they have collected? Very simple question. So a student has repeatedly count the triangle shape. But suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If they write 9 here, so every time if any visitor asks, they can say there are 9 shape triangle. Similarly, B, how many circle shape they have collected? So question will be 10. You count approximately to be 10. C, what is the minimum? What is the minimum particular shape? Shape. If you count, you'll find 5. Then D, what is the maximum particular shape? Then it is count to be 10. Now next question E, how many they have collected cylindrical shape? Counted, you will find 5. Then F, What is the number of cylinder? What is the number of cylinder? They have collected. Cylinder they have collected. अब देखिए यहाँ पर काउंट कर लीजिए सिलेंडर का शेप जो है 1 2 3 4 5 6 so it will be 6 and answer of how many they have collected cylinder shape is also 6 so there is a correction. They have 6 also. Now, in a project, they have collected data of the shape, and also on the basis of this shape, there are very question anyone can ask. So that is how first point is the data collection, and then data collection has been summarized in the statement. Now, again, I am going to give you the real exercise number 1. And here you can note very important things. What is the conclusion? Note. The numbers numbers 9, just see, there will be numbers 9, 10, 5, 6. अब देखिए यहाँ पर क्या है, द नंबर 10 है, 9 है, 10 है, 5 है, 6 है. 6 are data. So अब ये डेटा हो गया, दिस इज द कलेक्शन हो गया, ये समराइज हो गया जो है. नाउ आई विल गिव यू एग्जांपल so it will be more clear with the example. They are the class 2 students, so at this stage we should not give much emphasis about the detail of the data collection, but when going to class 3, they will make upgradation of this topic, and 4th, again, upgradation of the topic. Now, exercise 1. I have chosen this exercise regarding to the, you can say, the school. What is that exercise? Ankit, one of the students in the class, Ankit, has been asked to collect the information about numbers of girls girls, boys, kids, small kids, teachers, staff, and prepare a chart for data collection in a school, because in a school you can say girls are there, boys, small kids, teacher, staff, and prepare chart. Now just see how you will do it. Answer your solution. अब देखिए, step 1, how they should do it. Now he should understand there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since there are 5 groups, so they should prepare a horizontal chart as follows. अब कैसे करना पड़ेगा? अब देखिए, फर्स्ट जो है ग्रुप नेम क्या है? गर्ल्स, देन बॉयज, देन किड्स, देन टीचर्स and staff. Therefore, one, and they should make a numbers. बस अब इसको थोड़ा बढ़िया चार्ट बना दीजिए, हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन खींच दीजिए, यहाँ पर एक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन यहाँ खींच दीजिए, यहाँ खींच दीजिए, यहाँ खींच दीजिए, और इसको सेपरेट कर दीजिए, और बेटर वे आप ऐसे कर दीजिए। अब आप इसको डिवाइड कर दीजिए, इसको डिवाइड कर दीजिए, इसको डिवाइड कर दीजिए, और इसको डिवाइड दीजिए। अब देखिए, the student should practice to make a horizontal as well as a vertical line. It has many applications in a different way. Just for example here, girls 52, boys 56, and kids 101, and teachers 9, and staff 4. अब देखिए, अब ये कैसे प्रिपेयर किया? स्टेप 2, count the numbers of group during prayer. Generally, all groups are present during the prayer, and fill up the number numbers as shown. अब देखिए, this horizontal chart, step 3, from this you can very easily say that the numbers of girls boys, kids, teachers and staff are कितना है 52, 56, 101, 9 and 4 respectively. Respectively means the first one is the boy, first one is the girl, second one is the boy, third, fourth, fifth. Now, on this basis, many questions can be asked, which I am leaving to the teachers to ask. For example, suppose they say, which has the maximum number? So answer is kids. Which one has the minimum number? Staff. What is the number of girls? 52. What is the number of boys? 56. Question is whether boys or girls, which one is the maximum? So boys. So that is how you can ask the questions. Now I am giving the question for the students to prepare for their class. That will be exercise question 1. अब क्वेश्चन 1 है, क्वेश्चन 1. अब देखिए, every student has the book of science, math, English, Hindi and social science. So the information I am just question I am asking, collect the number of pages, numbers of पेज कर दीजिए या नंबर ऑफ पेज इन science sequence should be same, then math, then English, Hindi and social science. Science in a horizontal chart. अब देखिए ये क्वेश्चन है. Now horizontal chart I have already shown of the example, and every student have these books, and every book have the page number, so they should prepare like this. Now I am giving the question 2. क्वेश्चन 2। अब देखिए, आरती, आरती इज नेम ऑफ गर्ल, इट कैन बी स्टूडेंट ऑल्सो। ब्रॉट, BROUGHT, ब्रॉट, brought a weighing machine, WEIGHING, weighing machine. Obviously, she has been asked by the teachers, bring a weighing machine to collect the weight of her friends, and found the following data. अब देखिए, अब उसके जो है 6 स्टूडेंट फ्रेंड्स थे। तो फर्स्ट नेम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट, name of a student, then weight, WEGHT, weight. Shania, Rajan, Vicky, and Aman and Pritam. अब देखिए, obviously weight was in kg, kg is small, and 40, 45, 30, and 20. Vicky is 30, Aman is 27, and Pritam is 60, and Subhash has 32. They will know how to prepare the chart, and similarly, just put here vertical line, then horizontal line, goes from here to here, then again horizontal, and then make it. There should not be red, so I am deleting it. There is no red. And right, there is a white. Again, they can divide first student, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Then again, they should write a horizontal line to distinguish between upper and now. अब देखिए, in this case a many question can be asked. अब देखिए, question A, who has maximum weight? Who has maximum weight? They should write here. B, who has minimum weight? Who has minimum weight? Question mark, and they should fill up. C, what is the total weight then D, what is the difference between heaviest and lowest weight. Now, the student has already studied the difference of heaviest, lowest. That is the minuend and subtrahend. They should answer this question. D. E. What is the number of her friends? They should answer. अब देखिए, note. The numbers what is 40, 45, 30, 27, 60 and 32 are datas of weight of students कह सकते हैं friends. So these are very simple exercise where the student you can say do it. Now I am giving question 3, which is the last. But important. And they should do for themselves when they are studying. Question 3. Now here I am not going to give the data. The student of class 2, students of class 2 have been asked to give their favorite 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 sports name for the following table. For the followings मतलब हमने कर दिया. Followings means favorite sport, sports, that is cricket, very famous, cricket, football, then tennis, badminton, then Ludo. And here number of students. Make a vertical chart. अब देखिए and suppose I have a suggestion to the teacher. Suppose they don't have, they should put at random number and answer the following. What is the question? First, most favorite games. अब ब्लैक में इनको लिखने दीजिए कि इनमें से मैक्सिमम लड़के किस गेम को फेवर कर रहे हैं. बी, लिस्ट फेवरेट गेम, माने इस गेम्स में कौन सा जो है सबसे कम आ रहा है, लड़के खेल रहे हैं. सी, what is the total numbers of student. यहाँ लिख दीजिए. और तीसरा लास्ट, what is the difference between most favorite and less favorite games. These are the very small things, examples and questions for the class 2 students to understand the first, what is the meaning of data and how data can be collected. Thank you very much.